How you use AI could be the difference between wasting money and building real wealth. If you've ever looked at your bank account and wondered where it all went, this video will change the way you think about spending, because by the end, you'll learn how to use AI to track, optimize, and even predict your spending patterns in ways you didn't know were possible. But there's something most people miss about AI and spending, and I'll share that in just a moment, because it's the part that makes all the difference. Let's start with the biggest shift. AI doesn't just categorize your expenses, it can analyze your habits and correct them. Tools like Copilot or Clio use machine learning to flag patterns in your daily transactions, like how you always overspend on weekends or gradually increase your delivery expenses without noticing. When I first tested Clio, it literally called me out on my 3 a.m. Amazon purchases. Brutal, but effective. But what if you don't want a chatbot roasting your life choices? Then you need to look at budgeting AI like YNAB's Rule 4 automations. It lets AI reallocate your leftover budget based on real-time changes. For example, if you cancel a subscription mid-month, it can auto-move that money to a goal like debt repayment or emergency savings. That's not just budgeting. That's strategic reallocation. And speaking of subscriptions, here's a major tip. AI apps like Rocket Money don't just tell you what you're subscribed to, they can cancel them for you. That's the difference between information and action. When I helped a startup optimize their team budgets, we used Rocket Money to instantly slash $480 in forgotten software charges per employee. That adds up fast. Next up is predictive AI. This is where things get interesting. Some apps, like Quicken Simplify or Monarch, use AI forecasting to model how much you'll have at the end of the month based on current behavior. It's not just showing you where your money went, it's showing you where it's going. And when I was consulting for a fintech accelerator, this was the tech that got investors' attention. Why? Because it helps you make decisions before they become regrets. If you're into investing, some AI-driven platforms even optimize how you spend to match your investment goals. For example, some robo-advisors sync with spending data to adjust your contributions based on how frugal or spendy you were that month. Imagine AI adjusting your future wealth plan dynamically, all without you doing anything. Now, here's the thing most people miss. AI isn't just a set-it-and-forget-it solution. The smarter you get with your input, the more valuable the output. If you connect multiple accounts, label your expenses accurately, and check in weekly, the insights get sharper. It's like training your own financial assistant. The people who complain that AI budgeting didn't work usually didn't feed it enough data to begin with. And here's that final piece I promised earlier. The thing most AI money tools won't tell you. Many of them push features that benefit them more than you. Some are loaded with affiliate links, commission-based upsells, or premium features that aren't necessary for smarter spending. That's why this video isn't recommending any one app. I'm not being paid to push them. Use what works for your habits, not what influencers say because they're getting a cut. So if you got value from this video, and you want more no-nonsense content without hidden affiliate incentives, hit that subscribe button. You'll be supporting honest, practical content that actually helps you use AI for smarter spending habits, on your terms.